Welcome back. So in this video, I'll take you through the unboxing of the Huawei Band 10. So let me just start by removing this tag like that. Then I can open the box. So you have a smaller box inside. And the first thing you see when you remove the box is the actual Huawei Band 10. So here it is. This is how it looks like. I got it in the color of black, but there are other color options that you can choose from. And then if we open this box up even further, we can see the charging cable. So here it is. You have one side is a pin, the other side is the normal USB option. So here it is. And then you have the paperwork. So the things like the user guide and the warranty card are also inside the box. So those are the major items that come in the box. And then for the actual band itself, again, this is a black color, but there's other color options for you to choose from. And then let me just remove this tag. And there you have it, the Huawei Band 10. And so if you're curious about any more videos about this fitness band, subscribe to the channel and stick around to see what else is available for you.